Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Okay, good. Now that you can hear. So, under a normal situation, those who are supposed to represent our ubiquitous God today are now known liars in our society. But why are we going to hold this video discourse today? First, let me just code switch. Let me use pidgin English. I do this video today. He say to one man wey dey call Ize Yamu. In dey aspire to run for governorship position in Edo State. He go channels yesterday. They come ask am some few questions. They ask am say whether Obaseki don perform as governor. He say as far as he's concerned, he never say any performance. He lied about teacher. He discredits Edo-based program orchestrated by the Obaseki administration. As if that is not enough. When they ask him again, say, we hear say you dey promote violence. You talked about exporting thugs from one location to another. What do you have to say in respect to your video that went viral yesterday? Of all waiting to show me the talk, say Ize Yamu lies effortlessly. Now yesterday I confirmed her before. I never confirmed her before. Can you hear me now? What's happening to the volume? Can you hear me now? If you can hear me, just signify. Please. No voice. Okay, let me come back. Let me go and come back. If you can you hear me now? Okay, good. If now that you can hear me, let me just get it closer so you hear me. Say Ize Yamu lies effortlessly. That was Oshomole's statement. As at yesterday, I was watching Channels TV. I saw interview granted by Ize Yamu where he openly lied effortlessly. But as of today, we are going to analyze his speech one after the other. When he was asked the level of performance of the Obaseki administration, Ize Yamu openly said he has not done anything as far as he's concerned. I begin to wonder, a former chief of staff to the Edo State government, a former secretary to the state government that has no single bow tied to his name, is questioning a man who built a modular refinery through MOU, a man who came out with the Osiomo power plant through MOU, a man who has been able to generate the number of power that the state needed. And one thing we need to understand, I think Ize Yamu is not aware, let us really teach him. In power generation, before somebody can have electricity in his house, it is of 3 stages. I know Ize Yamu don't know it. So that is why he went to Channels Television to begin to say what he know nothing about. And if you notice, when the guy confronted him with some questions, Ize Yamu almost fought the guy. He said, I understand English language, so I know what I'm saying. You see the bitterness and the agberoness in him. It was very glaring on that interview. So let me quickly teach him and help him, because I know he's not aware of it. Now, there are 3 stages for you to be able to supply electricity to people. Where we call power generation. As we speak, the Edo State government have been able to generate beyond what Edo can consume. And power generation is the responsibility of the federal government. But the federal government can give a license to states or any other partner in form of PPP for them to establish independent power. But I can tell you that for you to be able to get that license, you must pass through rigorous process. That is why in the 36th state of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, it is only Edo and Port Harcourt, River State, I think Lagos, that has been able to generate electricity. But when you talk about success rate, Obaseki has the highest success rate as far as electricity generation is concerned in Nigeria, owing to the fact that he was able to secure the license and he was able to ensure that the company that is investing do it at the right time. A classical example is the Osemo power plant. Then after the power generation, you have what we call power transmission. Isayamu don't know. Power transmission. Power generation involves the ability to generate the power. Power transmission is the ability to take the power from where it was generated to where it will be distributed. There it can be stepped down to the level that one can consume. That is where you see the transmission of power. Now, in case of Nigeria, you get the power from Kainji Dam. It's taken to a stepping down center where it will be transmitted. From the transmission, then you have power distribution. Where we are having problem today is power distribution, controlled by this same element, e.g. BEDC, that is not giving these people money to fight the government of Edo State. BEDC, they are in charge of power distribution. Where we are having problem today in Nigeria, in Edo State, is power distribution. The power is there. I challenge Isayamu who went to channels to say rubbish, to question the availability of this power in Edo State. Go and check. Tell BEDC to give us light, because we have enough light in Edo that have been generated, that have been transmitted. Why have they refused to distribute this power? Now the Osemo power plant that is on ground, they are doing everything humanly possible to frustrate the effort, all in a bid to discredit an administration that is ready to work to deliver the interest of the people. We know now, we now go fail for our actions. Nobody can deceive Edo people again. You can deceive some people sometime, but you cannot deceive them all the time. Now, secondly, they now ask Isayamu. We saw on a video that went viral where you were directing people to move from word to word and from local government to local. All what is concerned about is result-oriented. Isayamu came up publicly to confirm the fact that he lies effortlessly. He said, no, I didn't say it. My speech was doctored. And I want to ask Isayamu a simple question. Before a speech can be doctored, there must be an original one. Let's agree that the one on circulation is doctored. We want to see the original one, please. Paste the original one online. Paste it for every Edo people to see. You are running away from your own shadow. The same violence you threatened, you are running away from it. Now, if you say that your statement was doctored, that was not what you said. We want the original video of what transpired that very day, where you were telling the lions and tigers to unleash mayhem on Edo people, that they should leave their word to other words. Then you came up publicly to say you did not say it. Now we want to see the original copy of that video. If you claim this one is doctored, you now bring the original on air. Let's see. If the video was doctored, paste the original one. Let's see. So no matter what you do, there is no way you can deceive the people. Edo people are determined. Now they ask him, Oshomole used different type of statement against you. Call you thief, also. Is that bothering you? He said, why will I be bothered? Did they affect the elections in the past? A man was scored about 200,000 votes. How will I be bothered? Then we now ask a simple question. If you are not bothered, what the man asked again, why did you, what is is Oshomole your godfather? He said, I can use Oshomole as my godfather. A man that has been this, that has been known by this, that has been known by that. I want to ask a simple question. What is godfatherism if Oshomole is not your godfather? who established the current principle of political Odigwetwe that you guys have adopted. As of today, you want to deceive people with news. That is why I always acknowledge the leadership of Edo Central. They said, if you want to apologize, return back after the election to apologize. Do not come and kneel down to hoodwink us to give you our vote. Go. They chase them away. They chase them away. Please share this video. Click on your share button. Invite your friends. Please. Invite your friend and share this video. They chase them away. Now, again, he said, if Oshomole said that to sell his own candidate, I said, now, we are not going to take that. I want to ask, do you know that Oshomole openly said, I stand before God and man to swear. I waive my immunity. I waive my immunity. I stand before God and man to swear that Ize Yamu is a thief. That was what Oshomole said. A man who stood before God and man to swear, and he waives his immunity, and he swore under oath. He said they should take him to any court. He accused you of battering someone with acid. He accused you of, he said the only reason why he refused to give you position of as special advisor is because he was afraid to put you in a position where money is, because he knows that you are a thief. I'm quoting Oshomole verbatim. Now again today, you are coming out to say that was just a mistake. A man who stood on the altar of God, a man to swear, and he openly said, you lie effortlessly. I never believed that you lie effortlessly, but I confirmed it yesterday that you actually lie effortlessly. They asked him about his simple agenda. He started saying what he cannot do. The same man, he was the brain behind Lucky Benedium's government. When election was going on in Uromi, Oshomole have not gotten that black mind, the evil mind that he has now. He has not gotten it as a then. That evil man was with Ize Yamu. Ize Yamu told him, Uromi election will be rigged. We will not allow it. Oshomole said, no, let's just leave this one for an enemy. Because this Uromi. Ize Yamu said, lie. Election, Yakubu election was still going on in Uromi. Ize Yamu was announcing result in government house. Ize Yamu was announcing result in government house. Ask him this statement. This is the truth. Ask him. Those who are supporting him today knows him very well. And I want to tell you why he got the ticket of the APC. Sorry. I want to tell you why he got the ticket of the EPM, not APC. Because as far as we are concerned, the nomadic and ostracized imposters that claims to be state chairman in Mose, to date, has been relegated by the court. So for now, Aslemo Jeswa, who is the chairman of the APC in Edo State, have refused to acknowledge the fact that Ize Yamu is member of their party or candidate. So let me say, Ize Yamu is contesting under EPM. Now, as he is contesting under EPM as a candidate under EPM, but we know that EPM in itself is unconstitutional. Do you know the reason why he got the ticket of the EPM? Oshomole know him as a rigger. They want him to rig. Whereas there were people who fought, who stood firmly from the beginning to the end. Oshomole denied them the EPM ticket. He forgot. They told Oshomole from the beginning, you can never be the national chairman before the Edo elections. I think I have to beg the like of Comrade Odo Savitova. I've not seen him for some time. I'm going to call him after now. He told me, he said, Comrade, anyway, Oshomole will never be the national chairman before the Edo election. He will not talk back. Owagba. Owagba. To date, Oshomole is nothing in Nigerian politics. He's only enjoying the benefit of a former governor. But if he continues with his old man rascality, he will be stripped of those benefits. We cannot commercialize it though. No. Now they brought him not because he has credibility, because he has the ability to manipulate. But Oshiomhole failed to understand that those who are manipulating the elections alongside Ize Iyamu, because only one person, not be everybody, is no longer with them. These elections will be adjudged on the basis of performance standard. This election will be adjudged on the basis of antecedent, and not your ability to push it in public and fight. Not the ability to talk about how many persons you will arrest. You came out publicly to threaten violence. Oshiomhole did that. Ize Iyamu again came out publicly to threaten violence. He never knew that the video is going to get viral. He came out again to say the video was doctors. Give us the original copy of that video. Since that one is fake, we want to see the original. Since that is fake, we want to see the original. Now, if anything happens to anybody in these elections, people should hold Ize Iyamu and Adamu Oshiomhole responsible. They have openly threatened violence against Edo people. With the way even the leaked video, when Oshiomhole was with the chief of staff in Abuja, where he said we will arrest them. Arrest them, arrest them. That's to tell you the level of threat that they have put on ground. Desperacy, or in a bid to win elections. As at yesterday by 9:30 p.m., by 6 p.m., somebody called me to give me intelligent information that trucks, different trucks, excuse me, give me water for them. Different trucks are loading in people from the northern part of the state to Edo. They stopped them at Egba Junction, Auchi Road. From there, they will be integrated into the Edo society. Election is fast approaching. By the power of God, we have been able to raise an alarm, and we've placed the government on notice to investigate this information so as to check this. We're ready for they can't rig the election. I challenge the whole of them, including their media urchins. Including their media urchins. Let's go to the streets to sample public opinion. Anywhere, you will see it clearly that Edo people across the three senatorial districts are strongly behind Obaseki. They went to Edo North. Oshiomhole wanted to form and control Edo North. He went to Philip Shaibu territory in J2. Oshiomhole run 440. The next day, now he run go television, go to say, if they want violence, we'll give them violence. Nobody threatens you with violence. You are the one threatening people with violence. Today, the video where you take run is with NTA. NTA refused to release the video. While we all were in campaign, we now Oshiomhole to go J2 for near Shaibuas. Ole. The video, I don't know why NTA not release it. Maybe because NTA na government station, federal government, they not release the video. You see the way they take disgrace Oshiomhole, you laugh, you tire. Me go also that video. I go also that video, and I go make sure say that video come out. Just give me time. I will also that video. The rubbish. Osho Quake, Osho this. I tried to call you that name before. I call you Osho Bulldozer, Osho this. But I'm your Ekwe. You will get cockroach inside your cupboard, you see they assume. You dey show yourself. Now, by the power of God, we are getting prepared for the grand finale of our campaign, which is Edo South. Our Edo South campaign, we are going to make sure that we reach out to everyone. Because if you look at the registration so far, 1.4 million persons registered in Edo South, 500,000 plus persons, 514,000 registered in Edo North, and about 300,000 persons registered in Edo Central. So if we calibrate all this together, you agree to the fact that we need to center our campaign for Obaseki more in Edo South. And in Edo Central, they all told us, all when we visited in Edo Central, today is the end of the campaign in Edo Central. All when we visited in Edo Central, they said Obaseki should not come and campaign in Edo Central. He should come and be telling them thank you because he has already won. So what we are concerned about now, the same vein, Edo South, we have collectively and unanimously agreed that Obaseki is who we want. This is not because he's handsome or beautiful or ugly or tall, short, or as the case may be. It's because of his work. If Obaseki deviates from his work today, we'll be against him. For now, he's doing the right thing at the right time. We must collectively support him. Now in Edo South, we are going to ensure by the power of God from our own angle, because some persons called me to make it public. We will do that. We are going to ensure that we give aprons to our women, market women. Apron will be given to our market women, t-shirts and cap, all necessary stationaries. We are going to do that from the angle of Edo Diaspora Connect and Edos around the world. It's going to be a collaboration by the power of God. So we are going to reach out to so many persons. We will not give these evil people the chance to take an advantage of our democratic infrastructure in Edo State. We all love Obaseki. Obaseki remains the project, and we are going to stand by him in totality. That is what we believe in. Obaseki na big man. Who know I'm calling small boy. Obaseki na big man. Who know I'm calling small boy. A matter na big man. Who know I'm calling small boy. A matter na big man. Who know I'm calling small boy. A matter na big man. Who know I'm calling small boy. Obaseki na big man. Who know I'm calling small boy. They wanted to oppress him with the ticket. They failed. President Buhari was angry. You deny this man the ticket? Giving me wrong information? That national chairmanship position you will leave. If Buhari too like Oshomole as they claim, why will he drop him as a national chairman? They humiliate him out of office. In fact, this is a public apology to my brother, Mr. Odosa Vitova. I have wronged you. I have offended you. In fact, all what you said, your predictions, are 100% on track. I say a very big thank you to you. And to my brother, Mr. Stanley Ochi, my mistake, all the way from Europe. And this man, he pressured and pressured me and pressured me. Osakuno Kodi, you must go and work with Obaseki. Forget about your stomach infrastructure. Forget the fact that you almost died. Yes, if this man is doing well and you agree that he's doing well, why don't you support light against darkness? And I said, no, now, well, you see me with my annually blind, me where I said, this one, I don't see where again. Me, I'm nothing. No, he said, forget about that. Think of the future. After all, you are not hungry. After all, but even if we cannot eat 3 times a day, we can eat 2 times a day. So you can eat 2 times a day. So why not? I looked into the issue and I said, let me not go and make a silly mistake because of my personal stomach. Let us work for the overall interest of Edo people. And from the beginning, even when we were fighting Obaseki, myself, Adam Oshomole, Ize Yamu, all of us, Emmanuel Egbogun and all of us, even when we agreed within us that we were fighting for stomach infrastructure, but I said, for stomach infrastructure should not surpass progress. Let's take an example. We've just removed progressive development because we want somebody to come and share money to us. I will not deceive you. It's not as if we are not hungry of sharing the money. We wanted to share the money. We really love to. That's the truth. I won't deceive you. But this money, and there is no progress in our state, that will be penny wise, pound foolish. Penny wise, pound foolish. Because they will share money to you to go and buy what government is supposed to provide. I said no. I defiated, I refused to agree. Then I joined the fight to liberate Edo. A week after that, they sent me a text. They sent me a text message. The text message, I will never delete it. See here. Let me read it for the reading pleasure of some persons. I still have it here. I will never delete it from now. The text was actually sent by this number 10354655. Look at the text. How much will it cost to get your political support, sir? POI stand a better chance than all other aspirants. We will be glad to work with you. So that you do not look as if I am reading a fake message. I know I've read this message before. I want to call someone to read it for you to hear if it's reading exactly what I read. Please read this louder. Louder, please, very loud.
How much will it cost to get your political support, sir? Name a price. POI stand a better chance than other aspirants. We will be glad to work with you.
Now, but I read just now, you read it again. They send me that message. When they see and say, I break out from that, I tell them, say, I'm on the fence. I not join anybody. I know, my conscience no let me join what is bad. Even if say all of all the fight for stomach infrastructure. But my conscience not go let me just join what your police say, this good thing more true because I want to reach. No. They're hungry for at that moment. I agree, sir, I will bring them. They will not give me, they not will pay me that money in naira. They will pay me in dollars. They will pay me in dollars. See what we go give you. They not tell me say see what we go give you. They say name a price. So any price I name because they know me well on ground. They know what we can do politically. In terms of mobilization, they know. In terms of discussions, they know. They know the role we can play. So in any amount of money when I tell them, they will bring it. Even if I say 50 million, they will give me. But the question now is, will I be enjoying this global popularity that I'm enjoying today? The answer is no. When you know, don't worry, when everybody now knows that you are supporting a cause against the interests of Edo people. Persons that were celebrated in the past. Activism, politics, and many others. Today, because they refuse to support the progressive development in Edo, they are now the world's most insulted person on social media. So I prefer to stand on the path of truth. I prefer to stand on the path of fairness. I prefer to stand on the path of positive development in Edo State than to cover my stomach, whereas in the future, my pikin no know book if he go public school. Now that we are reinstating the lost glory of the public school, is it not a welcome development? The ask is say Yamu about education. He said the government has not done anything in respect to education. If Oshomole, as you claim, renovated all the red roof in Edo State, would there be any need for Obaseki again to renovate red roof, to renovate school? That's to tell you that Oshomole did not do anything. He at a cost of 500 million, an amount that can renovate over 40 schools or 30 schools, as the case may be. Who not they deceive? Izeyamu came out on channels to lie effortlessly. That is what we call the principle of atoge-toge Ari Yobola logo Onisafiambe Poo. Not say you talk on that here.
Now so.
Not say you talk on that here.
Now so.
He came out publicly to lie. Only this lie alone where those people see you say you lie. You don't even have to say for yourself, huh? No, I did not say they should move from word to word, unit to unit. What I said is that bring the original video. Go and bring the original video to counter this one. You just stay the formulate like desperate to be governor at all costs. Whereas the road to your street, you didn't even tie it while you were the SSG. I can authoritatively show you more than 15 to 20 roads when the SSG, current SSG barrister Ogi, don't pressure this government to tar under his name. I can show you more than 20. How many can he say Yamu show? The highest way Yamu official from government, now different color of Ghana must go back where testimony. When a location will come, then they bring Ghana must go back. They come when they want to share the money. And I be the brain behind them. Ask them, say, where you done for work? PA. Or somebody said it. PA, chief of staff, PA. Where you done for work? Say, don't say now, yeah, you for work. Where be your antecedent? It's purely about politics. It's purely about politics. So you're not going to deceive anybody. Edo must move forward. Yo. Move forward.
Yo.
Backward never.
Yo.
Yo. No godfatherism.
Yo.
Move forward.
Yo.
Backward never. That is the truth. Edo must move forward. 4 + 4 is equals to 8 and it must to ba. Or bani. You can't change that. All your rigging plan will fail. Desperation. Pastor turned imam. Desperation. The challenge when I challenge and which they hear, say me go put one for center of road, make it swear, say apart from normal pirate way I agree saying John, whether I not join that secret society, you should come and swear. If you can wear those kind of clothes publicly, come and swear publicly if you are not member of any secret society. Who you want to deceive? We ready for Emana Gokbiayi or Master Emana Nalela, who will tell you the truth and nothing but the truth. Oshomole said all the truth about you, and he swear before God and man. No man on earth can swear before God and man and be lying. They said you lie effortlessly, and you went on channel to lie effortlessly. So what else do you want us to say? You must vote as a people by the power of God, and you must vote for PDP by the power of God. Sorry, you need to vote, not must. You need to vote for PDP on the basis of Obaseki progressive development. And in case you are not aware, PDP has been winning elections in Edo apart from state government elections. They have been winning all the federal elections. Oshomole was not able to deliver Edo to Buhari. Even while Obaseki was the governor, he only tried in terms of number. PDP still won Edo in the presidential election. So now that the progressive governor is with the PDP, it's going to be a landslide victory. All our duty now as our work is to begin to cover all the loophole and to check their way of trying to rig the elections in Edo. So you can't rig it. It's a fight to finish. If we win, we win. It's winner take it all. We will never allow evil people to take an advantage of our democratic infrastructure in the state to perpetuate evil. Evil strive when good people decide to remain quiet and allow evil people to take an advantage of any situation. It is sardonic. It is precarious. It is obnoxious. It is barbaric that a pastor who can transcend himself to an imam overnight will come out publicly to seek for vote. As how? When you lack integrity, you lie effortlessly, you went to channels to say all sorts of lies. They ask you, what are you going to do differently? You wanted to fight the guy. Simple agenda. Infrastructure. And then I don't have infrastructure. What is the modular refinery? Now you said, some of you, Oshomole said the modular refinery is still in MOU stage. When Obaseki brought out the picture, when the federal government came to check the modular refinery, you came out again. They came out again to say, I can't receive call, please. When the federal government delegation came to assess the modular refinery and they gave accolade to the Obaseki administration, you changed the narrative again to say it's owned by the federal government. It's owned by the federal government. The refinery owned by the federal government, have they been able to fix it? A refinery in Maya campaign. In 2015, in the run-up of the elections, while we were working for Jonathan, some of you said, Osomole was part of the delegation. They said they are going to ensure that fuel becomes 45 naira per liter. 1 naira to $1. 45 naira per liter. 1 naira to $1. 5,000 naira to unemployed youth. Where are all these achievements today? Anyone happen? So a man, people will not fix the refinery where they now one can fix a modular refinery. Oshomole and the people muna still the shame. Una susabi la. The refinery where one save the whole interest of Nigerians. Federal government officer. Now modular refinery for Edo, they want fix. Mona leave Obaseki project for Obaseki na biggie man. Who know I'm calling sumo boy. Obaseki na biggie man. Who know I'm calling sumo boy. Emata na biggie man. Who know I'm calling sumo boy. Emata na biggie man. Who know I'm calling sumo boy. Is there a try to jump the fence? Chuku chuku chukinyash. Is there a try to jump the fence? Chuku chuku chukinyash. Is there a try to jump the fence? Chuku chuku chukinyash. He lies to us. What you do? What you do? He lies to us. What you do? What you do? He lies to us. Is there a try to jump the fence? Chuku chuku chukinyash. Is there a try to jump the fence? Chuku chuku chukinyash. He lied to us. What you do? What? I see your call. I did live video. I see your call. You know, not true. Canada.com. I see there where I did now. I'll make her remove you. That okay, I come. Is there a try to jump the fence? Chuku chuku chukinyash. Is there a try to jump the fence? Chuku chuku chukinyash. He lies to us. What you do? What you do? He lies to us. What you do? What you do? He lies to us. That is the truth. He's a liar. Even if I not get right to call and lie in the past, with the lie we go to for channels, or it don't confirm Osomole statement say, Atogetore yegele wahi. Is there a try to jump the fence? Chuku chuku chukinyash. Is there a try to jump the fence? Chuku chuku chukinyash. He lies to us. What you do? What you do? He lies to us. What you do? What you do? He lies to us. That is the truth. He is a liar. Obaseki is our own. We must stand to defend the interest and destiny of all Edo people. That is what we need to stand for. Megi seti gobi jemeno bibe. Oh ya sivye womo. Megi seti gobi jemeno bibe. Oh ya sivye womo. We must stand on the path of truth. We must stand on the path of justice and fairness. And to all Edo people worldwide, Togberians around the world, those standing to support Obaseki, do not fail to reach out to some of us. Our Edo South campaign must be extensively done. Call your family at home. Let them be prepared to vote. I tell them before, I say, when members of Edo diaspora connect worldwide, those in the diaspora, when they open airspace, go slow, go different. One of our generals now don't come. He don't enter town. He got to spend beyond to get the flight in enter town. He get town now. Go slow, go day air from August 29. In fact, after now, I go to my wall, I will post available from the 29. Where they call Nigeria, I will post them. So you can go and book. Whether you get PVCO, you not get PVCO, come and mobilize those that have PVC to vote. And those in the diaspora have a say in this election. We are going to mass produce our apron. We are going to mass produce our t-shirts, face caps, and all other stationaries. We are going to shade. Everybody in the streets will have Obaseki's inscription written in one place or the other, in either their shirts, their trousers, their face cap, their hand wristwatch, or as the case may be, their wrist. Sorry. We must all have Obaseki's material with us. It will be part of our own effort to push for the overall goal and destiny of our people. Thank you very much once again for listening to me. I will not fail to acknowledge the most respected Juan Baudelaire. This is your name, the professionally, I don't want to mention her real name. We not fail to acknowledge her. Our mama, who is Guillermien, I salute you. Third brother, this is your name, delete from my head, oh. But now you had to talk to now, just to see you now. You there with your bowler hat, you there with your white shirt, you carry back for neck. That your bowler hat now this is the team maker. King. Boss, I see you. You don't return back. The most respected, Patrick O. One of the generals, Edo diaspora. Mr. Neville, I salute you. The most respected General Elvis Agaria, I salute you. Jane Osunde, I salute you. Ivie Oshodi, I salute you. Mama Omo Edo, I salute you. I salute you all watching me right now. Osak Wenokwodi in the building. Collins, Osareme, Igene. God bless you all. I salute you. Christopher Omorese, I salute you. Joyce Obaseki Egage, Ine, I salute you. Dio E. Grande, I salute you. Jeff Osamede, I salute you. David Humble, I salute you. Edward Enofe, the most respected general leader of the Talakawas. The man that has single-handedly made provision for a secret accommodation for me somewhere. I salute you. Jane Osunde, I reciprocate. I salute you. Itua Morodion, I salute you. Tony Ogbebo, I salute you. Stanley Ezomo, Igbineweka, Idehe, I salute you. I salute you all. Reggae MFRO, this is your name, hard me pronounce. Lokia Semota, I salute you. Simon One, I salute you. Tony Ogbebo, I salute you. Kelly J Treasure, you be man. Hope Friday, Hello. Maxine Osagiobare, I salute you. You are too much. I hate the house. Once again, it's me, your brother, your number right activist. Salute, bringing greetings from a those in the diaspora, specifically Connect Worldwide. It's me, the coordinator general Connect Worldwide. I remain my humble self, Comrade My number still remains 07036109939. WhatsApp 07036109939. WhatsApp 09036109939. WhatsApp 08079742172. Direct call 08079742172. Direct call. Okay, big dream. I will check the message now. No problem. You say I don't reply my message. I will check. Osaretin Ibude, I greet you. Nosa Inye, I greet you. Joyce Igie, Joyce Igiegs, I greet you. Amani Ehia Guina, I salute you. I must salute you. Lucky Asemota, Bright Felix O, Ekato, I salute you. Dan Paris, Asia, our member Diaspora Connect. Don't worry, I'm going to ensure you have been so busy, sir. Don't worry. Osamede, I salute you. Enaho, no, sorry. I salute you. Lucky Asemota, Don Gold, I greet you. I salute you all with all sense of humility. I think I have to call this a day. If I have not, Ose the Nogi, I salute you. Nusayi, I salute you. If I fail to call your name, it's as a result of the limitation of human memory. That's not to say you are not special. You are special. You are a great person as far as this noble group is concerned. As far as our discussion is concerned on social media, I acknowledge you and I respect you. You are a follower of inestimable value, and I adore you. So, but as a result of the limitation of human memory, I may not be able to call all names. So please forgive my negligence. Once again, it's me. I remember humble self, Comrade. A big bye for now. Big dream. I'm going to reply your message immediately. I just saw your petition and I'm going to respond to it. Thank you. Bye for now, and I'm grateful. Osakwenokwode in the building.